Alrighty, just a little rest in peace video for Paul Bearer. The man passed away, I think last night. I'm not sure exactly what happened and stuff. Paul Bearer was a great manager. He came on the scene with The Undertaker. If it was not for Paul Bearer, Undertaker would not have risen the way he did. Paul Bearer was the mouthpiece of The Undertaker. He did the whole show back when Taker was still a young guy, not taking anything away from Taker, but Paul Bearer was the mouthpiece. He did the whole show with the urn and stuff. It was very cool back then. Taker would sit up, because of Paul Bearer, and the camera was focused a lot on Paul Bearer on the outside during Taker matches, because he would do good faces, and he had a cool voice and stuff. So anything you want to say about
Well, WJ, I got to touch on that as well. I mean, we've got a lot to be thankful for with Mr. William Moody, otherwise known as Paul Bearer. I mean, because of him, we've had pinnacle rises in success with wrestlers such as The Undertaker, not to mention Kane as well. Paul Bearer was the brains behind the brawn. I mean, not to say these guys couldn't have risen to stardom without him, but they probably would have had a longer and harder road up. Paul Bearer literally catapulted them with his own composure and poignancy in the WWE that allowed people to focus on him, and by focusing on him, they focused on the wrestlers as well. So Paul Bearer, Mr. William Moody, to your family, your friends, and your fellow WWE compatriots, we say rest in peace, brother. We will miss you, and we know you're going to be up there managing the great ones in the sky, like Randy Savage as well, who recently went before him as well. So that's all we can say to that. But I think one of the things that's disturbing me the most is, since I came down here, is the fact that we've been able to find people taking such advantage of such distressing news and monetizing accounts and putting AdSense on accounts. Now these fucking parasites have turned around and gone from loyal followers and fans to fucking tabloid journalism tactics. And I mean, I think it's fucking disgusting and repulsive. I'm not going to mention any names.
Yeah, money hungry motherfuckers.
Basically, that's all it is. And for the few cents that you're going to get on each AdSense one, is it really worth it to bastardize your own fucking credibility for a few pennies, making money off the death of somebody? Unless you're a tabloid journalist.
It's because these guys have no class, that's why.
They're a fucking disease is what they are. They're a blight on the wrestling community.
The YWC will love and defend that anyway. So
I think the real guys, I think the real YWC members that honestly love wrestling and honestly respect these individuals for what they do will fucking stand up against it, though. I don't think they would have the moral compass to be able to turn their backs on this and say what these individuals is doing is right, because they're here as well for the love of the sport.
You'd be surprised with wrestling fans. Class is here, nothing. That's the class.
Let's see if they can prove us wrong this time.
I don't think so. But
anyway.
Rest in peace, Paul Bearer. Lots of great memories. Helped my childhood, to be more fun and stuff. So thank you, sir. You will be missed.
Peace out.
Until next time. Peace.